5 people have confirmed to have died in a Highway 2000 crash in St. Catherine a short while ago. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 5 people have been confirmed dead following a crash involving a minibus along the east-west highway in the vicinity of Whole Harbour, St. Catherine a short while ago. Vice Chairman of the National Road Safety Council, Dr. Lucian Jones, confirmed the details. Dr. Jones says it appears that a tire blew out, causing the driver to lose control of the vehicle, which flipped several times.
I was just informed this evening that there was a terrible crash on the East-West Highway approaching the Vineyards Toll Road, and that 5 persons have died and that 9 persons were taken to the Spanish Town Hospital. A few of them critically injured, others not so badly injured. 3 men have died and 2 females, and one of the injured is a 2-year-old child.
Accident on the toll jeeps. Mandeville bus full of people. Two people confirmed it. She no move on now, no? That one baby. The baby there. On the toll. Just a while ago, I just pull over. More of it. I'm bus I come from country. I don't know why I look like a tire bus fan. I can see over tire mark on the road. Like a tire bus.
The report says that a tire blew out. The question is whether or not the vehicle was traveling high speeds is to be the subject of investigation. And the minivan hit against a guardrail and flipped several times. And that's why we had so many injuries. It means that a total of 342 people have died for this year. Coming at a time when for a number of days we had no fatalities reported by the police. So this is a sudden jolt and a reminder to all of us that we need to drive on the roads with extreme care and to slow down and to make sure that the vehicles in which we are driving and the drivers who are driving these vehicles ensure that we have safe vehicles.
Links 007 TV News understands that the crash occurred shortly after 3 p.m. and involved a public passenger vehicle on a route from Mandeville, Manchester to Kingston. Links 007 TV News will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later news report. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.